Hi, how you doing? On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to make this salmon with very, very few ingredients, just garlic, ginger and soy sauce, bit of oil and some black pepper. It really, really is delicious and so easy. Alright, let's have a look at what we've got here, and it's very, very few ingredients indeed. So we've got our fish there. I've got a fillet of salmon. There might be a few little pin bones in there. And by the way, the skin is still on this one. We've got the skin on the back side. Garlic, ginger, soy. I'm using a light soy sauce. I think light's better for this. We're going to start this with some oil and we're going to add some black pepper. Let's go. Okay, so I've got some sesame seed oil I'm using. You could use a different oil if you want. Very simply, we're going to grab our salmon and skin side down. We're going to put it in the pan there. We're on an above medium heat and we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. No need to touch it now. So quite a high heat, it's smoking away, because what I want to do here is get that skin really nice and crispy. You can see maybe just about, it's starting to cook up. If you look on the side here, it's starting to turn white. Still got a long way to go yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce that oil down by about 50%, then I'll be back. And as you can see again, it's just starting to get a little bit white here on the sides. Now we're going to add in that ginger. Loads of fresh ginger cut into these strips, and I'm going to go for a generous amount of sliced garlic. So we're not going to be turning this fish at all. We're going to keep cooking it on the skin side, but I just want to get some lovely flavours of the garlic and ginger now into that oil. I'll be back in about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm using this coarse grain, or you know, it's in kind of cracked, like a cracked one. It's kind of not like a powder. Use powder if you want. Now we're going to get that soy. In that goes. On goes the lid. I've turned the heat down, not to a simmer, just above that. Let that go now for about 4 to 5 minutes. Give it time to cook into the salmon, and the salmon will cook beautifully with the lid on. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's jump inside. And there we go. The soy sauce has reduced down, thickened slightly. Now we haven't added any salt to this because obviously we've used a lot of soy and that's very salty. So completely unnecessary. That is it. Let's get that on the plate. Beautiful. Very, very simple. Really, really tasty. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.